Generative AI is a powerful tool for text generation and text processing. It's also a powerful tool for image generation and image processing. And the tools that do these things are growing in popularity month by month. Another area where generative AI is useful is in audio generation and processing. That's music, speech, and sound effects. Now, one service that applies the latest technology in generative AI to audio is MusicGPT. In this video, I want to show you the power of generative AI for music and beyond. So if you want to find out more, please let me explain. So before we begin, what did you think of the music there in that intro clip? Now, I generated that song using AI, using MusicGPT, which is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. You know, when you're creating a video or sketching out an idea and you think, I really could do with a perfect piece of music to go with this, but none of the royalty-free music that you can get, for example, from YouTube or in other places, doesn't quite fit the vibe what you're looking for. Well, this is where MusicGPT can be a great help. You can create music, songs, instrumental, text-to-speech, sound effects, all from just by typing in a few words into a prompt. This thing takes your ideas and turns them into full songs and sounds in seconds. Just type in your prompt and boom, you've got original soundtracks ready to go. And what makes this tool truly unbelievable is that the songs it generates sound just like they were made by a person. Let me play you a few demos.
I'm taking no gravel road to get to my past, where us kids grew up way too fast. Barefoot summers running wild and free.
This one up for your head, oh. I beg, make me dance. Let your mind fly. Girl, your smile, they light up my room. I they imagine say you they wine.
Sometimes I set the pace in this race. Make sure your shoes are laced so you don't trip on your face. Sometimes I get in the face, I sit back and I waste time. Sometimes my mind's in a haze and staring gaze. When I get lost, I use ways.
Using MusicGPT is easy. You describe what you want and submit it. For example, let's try create a chill lo-fi track with soft female vocals. MusicGPT will then go ahead and create the music you request. Notice it creates two versions based on the same prompt. You can pick the one you like and if needed play with it further, but we'll talk more about that in a minute. Okay, they've been created. Let's listen to the first one.
Streetlights blur, a gentle haze, lost in thought.
And let's try the second one.
Streetlights blur, a gentle haze.
Okay, let me know in the comments below which of those two you preferred. As a content creator, instrumental music is essential in post-production. You can ask MusicGPT to create instrumental by clicking on instrumental. So let's go ahead and try with cinematic opening music with an orchestra. Okay, let's try the first one. Well, that certainly is cinematic. Let's see what it says for the second one. And notice how they're quite different, but yet both based on that same theme. Brilliant. You can also provide your own lyrics and get MusicGPT to just write the music. So let me cut and paste in some lyrics. Then I'm going to say I want a power ballad with male vocals in the style of an Irish folk band. Okay, let's try the first one.
A boxer's hands now seeking calm. Oh, the quiet man would find sight.
Now remember earlier I showed you that MusicGPT makes 2 versions of a song. If you like a version, there are some tools that allow you to continue adjusting that song if you want. The first is Remix, which creates another variation of the song using the selected song as a base. The second is Extend, which makes the song longer. So let's pick a song. We'll go down here to one of our, this one here I think. We can click on the ... and then we can go here to Tools and let's go for Remix, and that will go ahead and create a new version using that original version as the base. Okay, so let's listen to the remix.
Jumping to the beat, feeling alive, mixing up the vibe, let's ignite. From hip-hop to jazz, we're on the ride. Colors flying like we just took a side.
Now here's the real crazy part about MusicGPT. It isn't just about making songs or music. You can create sound effects. You can even turn text into speech with thousands of different voices. It's basically an all-in-one production suite. Let's go ahead and create a sound effect. Here's my prompt: retro video game coin collected sound. Okay, let's see what it's done. Perfect. And let's get Samuel L. Jackson to read out this famous Star Wars quote.
Do or do not. There's no try.
Overall, MusicGPT is versatile, easy to use, and covers everything from background tracks to full-on productions. Plus, a community library gives you thousands of user-created tracks for extra inspiration. Don't believe me? Try it for yourself. Head over to musicgpt.com and try the free account. No contracts, no hassle. Or alternatively, try the free iOS app if that interests you more. And there we have it. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. That's it. I'll see you in the next one.